Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a topic factors and multiples. In that we are going to learn HCF by prime factorization and LCM by prime factorization. First we are going to see HCF by prime factorization. Here we have two numbers which is 28 and 84. 28 first we have to do with the smallest prime factor. So this 28 goes two tables in 14 times. Again you have to do this 14 with a small prime number which is 2. So in 2 table it goes 7 times. Then after we received at 7, so 7 goes only in a 7 tables. So 7 goes, that is a prime number. So 7 goes 7 times. 7 goes 1 times as 7. Then we have to write the prime factorization of 28 is 2 into 7. Next we have another number which is 84. Then you have to do first 84. Again you have to start doing with the prime numbers. So this 84 goes in a 2 tables 42. Again this 42 goes in a 2 tables which is 21, and the same 21 here we have in a 2 tables we don't have 21. So we can see to the next prime number which is 3. So in 3 tables this 21 goes 7 times. Then after that you can give this 7. So the 7 goes as a 1 times. As we see in the before sum, the 7 goes as a 1 times. Now next prime factorization of 84, which is 2 into 7 into 3. So here we have the common HCF, which means the common factor. You have to see in both the numbers which is the common factors. So here 2 is the common in both the things. So I am giving a box over there. Again we have 2 in both the numbers. So I am giving a box over there. In both the numbers we received 7. So I am giving a box over there. Here the HCF is 2 into 7. Only you have to see the HCF which is the highest common factor. Highest common factor is 2 into 7. If you multiply and you will be getting the HCF as 28. Next we are going to learn a topic that is LCM by prime factorization. Here we have two numbers which is 12 and 16. In 12 it goes, first you have to check with the smallest prime number. 2 tables, in the 2 tables 12 goes 6 times. Again you have to check with 6. 6 goes in a 2 tables which 3 times, and in this 3 is the prime numbers. In 3 goes in a 3 tables 1 times. So next we have number as 16. So the same 16 it goes in a 2 tables as 8 times, and this 8 goes in a 2 tables 4 times, and this 4 goes in a 2 tables 2 times, and this 2 goes in a 2 tables 1 times. Now we are going to do with the LCM, which is the least common factor. First we have to write prime factor of 12. What are the number we have received as a prime number, which is 2 into 3. Then next prime factor of 16. Now for the 16 we have received 2 into 2. Then we have to compare both the factors, that is the least common factor. Here we received as a least common factor, mean both the numbers we have received is 2. So I am given here. Then again one more 2 it is there. Then we have one more 2 and 2 into 3. After once we have received the least common factors, then you have to multiply all the numbers and you will be getting the answer, which is the least common factor is 48. Now this is the least common factor we have learnt. Thank you.